Welcome back to Hot Car Track and Mount Western Raceway, and right in front of us we have another fantastic haul. This is from Rust Belt Racing. Good on you, mate. Thank you for sending these through. We have 2 cars here for Road Warriors seasons 4 and 5, and we have a van here for Vantastic. So let's have a look at this first one. This one here is a ripper. Check the build of this out. Have you ever seen anything like this? Look at that. This one here is called Gator Truck, of course. You've done a fantastic job on this. This looks too good to race, mate. Apologies if it crashes down the end of the track and falls to bits. And I don't mean your workmanship is bad. It's just that there's some pretty big hits on the track, and the poor old Gator might lose its tail and its head. But we'll see what happens in the season that it goes into. Look at that wheel spin. Holy moly, Batman. Man, that's fast. So the Gator Truck. We'll put this down the track and see how she goes. This next one is the Wolverine Corvette. I love the look of this. I love how you've really detailed these to make them look like they look. I love that look. And of course this will be going into Road Warriors. I look at the wheel spins, and yet again, some sensational wheel spins on these. I'm actually hanging to see how this goes on the track because it looks like it'll be very suited. By the way, this will be going on the new track as all these will. So that's going to be interesting in itself. And the last one we have from Rust Belt Racing is the Marvin van. Look at this. Fantastic. Where's the kaboom? I love it. Absolutely fantastic. Got some nice weight in this too. And this one is going into Vantastic, which will happen after Road Warriors. Nice wheel spins again, mate. So let's put them down the track and see how they go. Big thank you to Rust Belt Racing for sending in these fantastic custom vehicles. The Gator Truck, the Wolverine Corvette, and also the Marvin van. That's going into Vantastic, and obviously Road Warriors Season 4 and 5. Thanks again, Rust Belt Racing. Really appreciate your effort in sending these into Hot Car Track in Australia. So until next time, catch you guys later.